Hello, so yeah, I'm Emmanuel Margeat. I'm head of a research and development team in Montpellier. And so I will present you a project, because it didn't start yet, of how we want to implement a derivative of mean flux at a low cost on the platform. So you've probably all heard about mean flux, this technique developed by the group of Stefan Hell a few years ago. And so the principle of it is, well, it's a Hell microscopy, so you need a donut somehow that you do have a pointer? Yeah. So yeah, the idea is that you have your excitation beam that is thank you, that has the shape of a donut, and you try to localize a single molecule, so it's a single molecule localization microscopy, by scanning this donut around your sample and recording the intensity that you get, basically at four positions. So it makes a triangle and the center. And from this, they can localize with a very high accuracy, basically down to the nanometer single molecules. And this is the type of image that you can get from DNA origami, for example, and with one nanometer localization precision. So this works well, but it's quite difficult to implement, actually, from a hardware point of view. Commercial solutions exist, but they are super expensive. And so recently, the group of Fernando Stefani in Argentina, with whom we're going to collaborate on this project, introduced RASTMIN. And so RASTMIN is an alternative to mean flux that enables the same resolution, but by the modification of a regular confocal microscope. So the idea, and this is what we're going to do, what we're going to implement, we have a semi-homemade laser scanning microscope that has a pulse laser, TCSPC, multicolor detection, etc. And so we're going to implement two devices on this microscope. One is a system to do XYZ drift correction with a super high accuracy, because this is what you need. And another one is a spatial light modulator to generate the donut. And the idea is that with these two simple modifications on the setup and proper data analysis afterwards, you can have this RASTMIN microscope that will enable us to localize super precisely single molecules, hopefully. So I just hired someone, an engineer on this project. It's going to start in January, and hopefully in 1 year, we will see some images. Thank you.